Date Gabby Concepcion asked Sharon Cunita for hug. Thesis hair conception, no. Ng araw to. Samantala sa clip video kung saan ay nakahag na nga si Gabby. Samantala kinilig naman si Sharon Cunita sa paghag ng kanyang ex. Isang netizens maririnig na kung saan ay kinilig sa kanilang dalawa. Gabby Concepcion and Sharon Cunita sent their shagab. Samantala, fans gushing after the former couple had a reunion ahead of their Heart concert. Gabby and Cunita meet the press conference for their concert as seen on TV Patrol last Friday, September 15, and Gabby about to leave the event when Cunita arrived joined him on the stage. Makikita nga sa clip video kung saan ay kinilig sobra. Sabi nga nila ang lakas ng chemistry pa rin ng Shagab. First time ko ulit. Mahahawakan yung kamay niya. Ayon pa kay Gabby while assisting megastar to the stage. And this is the first time I held her hands again. Sabi ko nga sa kanila kanina na pagkatapos ko dito aalis na ako, baka hindi tayo magkita. Pwede bang mag-hug bago ako umalis? Gabby asked her to watch. Cunita replied, oo naman, kaya naman kinilig ang iba. And I told them a while ago that we might not and see each other since I was about to leave. Ladies and gentlemen, on stage, I gave to you Miss Sharon Cunita. And noong araw ko pa itong sinasabi na sana mapagbigyan ako na maihag ni Sharon. Oh, congratulations naman sa kanilang dalawa. Grabe ang lakas ng chemistry. And I don't play favorite. Some people seem to think na favorite ng anak ko si Frankie. Hindi. That Frankie is my favorite child. I love all my children equally and she is stressed. Pamilya kami and we are family. This is the family matter. Dahil nga na-interview nga si Miss Kissy Concepcion kumakailan. Dahil nga po na sinasabi nila na mas pinapaboran ni Sharon Cunita si Frankie at may napabalita pa na unfollow niya si Kiko Pangilinan.